In this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you can change your user account name in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come to the bottom left section over here. And once you're here you can see your users. So you're going to click on change account settings. Once you go to change account settings, it's going to bring you right over here. So what you're going to do from here is you're simply going to click on manage my Microsoft account, and once you click on that, it's going to open this up. So this is one method to do this. It's going to open up your Microsoft account. And what you simply do is you can go ahead and change your Microsoft account's username. And if you've connected it to your Windows 10, what happens in that case is that it actually changes the name, not only on your Microsoft account, but also on your user account that you have on your PC. So to change it, what you simply do is you come up to your settings of your account, okay? And once we're over here, you go to your info. And once you come to your info, right over here, it's going to give you the option to edit your name. So just go ahead and edit your full name. And once you've done that, it's going to change the name for it. Now, this is one way of getting to it. Now, in the case you want some other method to do this, that is also doable. So for this, what you do is you need to go over to your control panel. So I'm going to open up my control panel and you're going to click on user accounts, change account type. So once you've done that, you're going to click on this account and you're going to click on change account type. Now, in some cases, it might directly just go ahead and change your account's main type, but we don't want to change the actual type of the account. We want to make changes to this account. So to make changes to this account, what you just do is, generally it will show you the options of change name, change password, change profile picture right over here. In the case that it's not giving you any privileges over here, might be the case that it's an administrator account. So in some cases, administrator account cannot be changed. So you might need to add another account, make that the administrator account. So you can do that by adding a new user. Okay, make this account the administrator account, then you come to this account, change its name, and then turn it back into the administrator. So those are the ways on how you can change username off account in Windows 10 in the easiest way. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.